So this is the sides of a rectangular x equals 0, comma y is equals to 0, comma x is equals to 2, and y is equal to 4. So find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line having slope 1 by 4, slope 1 by 4, that divides rectangle into equal halves. So this is the question. So here solution. Here the sides of a rectangle are given, that is, one is, two sides are x equal to 0, and y is equal to 0, means coordinate axis. So x equal to 0 is this y axis. This is x equal to 0 line. This x axis equation is y is equal to 0. These are the two sides. Another side is x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. So x is equal to 2 is a vertical line. Yes or no? So this line is x equal to 2. Suppose. So this is x equal to 2 line, and y is equal to 4 is a horizontal line. So suppose this is x is equal to 2 and this is y is equal to 4. So it seems to be triangle, square. Now it's rectangle. So now this line is, x is equal to 2 and this line is y is equal to 4. So this is origin. Now x-axis, y-axis, and x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. This is a rectangle. Now find the equation of the straight line having slope 1 by 4. The slope of the line is 1 by 4 and that divides the rectangle into two equal halves. So the slope of the line is 1 by 4. Therefore, how to take the line equation? Y is equal to, slope of the line is 1 by 4. Therefore, I will take the line as, so 4y is equal to x plus c. 4y is equal to x plus c. Can you take the line like this? Yes or no? Because how? Because if you write this in the form of slope intercept form, 1 by 4x plus c by 4. In which form is it? Mx plus c. So what is the slope? 1 by 4 or not? Yes, that's why I have taken the line like that. Therefore, the line is this one. Now this line 4y is equal to x plus c divides the rectangle into two equal halves. Means this 4y is equal to x plus c is given, where this 4y is equal to x plus c intersect the y-axis. On y-axis x equal to 0.
Sir, can you explain that 4y is equal to x plus c, how you took it?
Yes, because actually we can take the line, suppose line with slope m. What is the line equation? Y is equal to mx plus c or not?
Yes, sir.
So with slope 1 by 4, how can you take the line? Y is equal to 1 by 4x plus c.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 1 by 4x plus c. So clear this one?
Yes, sir.
So if you write this one, 4y is equal to x plus 4c or not?
Yes, sir.
So c is anyway constant only. 4c is also constant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So to avoid this 4, I have taken like this. That's it.
So, sir, we can ignore 4 because it will anyhow be constant.
Anyhow, that is a constant. C is a constant. 4c is also a constant. That adjusts. Okay.
Yes.
You can take like this also, no problem. You can take like this also. There is no issue. You will get the same answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. I had a doubt in. Yes.
Right. Now it's okay. Now 4y is equal to x plus c. Now where this line intersect the y-axis? On y-axis, x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, therefore 4y is equal to c. Y is equal to what? C by 4. Yes or no? So 0 comma c by 4. It intersect the y-axis at 0 comma c by 4. Okay. Yes. Now where it intersect the yes. Now it intersect the y-axis at 0 comma c by 4. 0 comma c by 4 lies on y-axis. Therefore, this is suppose this is 0 comma c by 4. Okay, now therefore line. And one more thing, if your slope 1 by 4 is positive, means if 1 by 4 is positive means the line makes acute angle or obtuse angle with the positive direction of its axis.
So can you repeat?
See, slope means tan theta. Yes or no? Tan theta is what? Positive, 1 by 4. Tan theta is positive means acute angle or line line makes acute angle with the positive direction of its axis or obtuse angle. Because first quadrant, tan theta
Acute.
0 to pi by 2, tan theta is positive. After pi by 2 negative means for acute
Yes,
angle,
sir.
tan theta is positive. It makes acute angle. If M is negative, obtuse angle. Acute angle means diagram will be like this or not. The line equation will be, the straight line equation will be like this. Acute angle. Okay. Now, see, now it makes acute angle. Yes. Now, see, this point we got, and we need which this, suppose this point is A, we need this point. Now tell me, now this line divides the rectangle into two equal areas or not? Equal halves. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
this area, that is this above the line area and below the line area must be same. That's why I have written A. Area is A. Otherwise, already I used. So what I do is, here I use, instead of AB, I use PQ. Yes. Now this line divides this rectangle in such a way that this area is equal to this area. Now this point we got because on y-axis x is 0, therefore y is c by 4, therefore these coordinates are p coordinates are 0 comma c. So what are the coordinates of q? Tell me how to take the coordinates of q. Just before we have seen, that is what so algebraic parametric form. So how to take, tell me? See, here line is what? 4y is equal to x plus c. So you consider x equal to what? T. Single parameter you take the point. Instead of taking x comma y, yes or no? Instead of taking x comma y, you take x equal to t. Then corresponding y is equal to what? Tell me. T plus c by 4. Clear?
Yes.
Therefore, two coordinates are in terms of a single parameter t comma t plus c by 4. These are the coordinates of what? Q. T comma t plus c by 4. Clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what I do is, now area of this trapezium we calculate. This is the trapezium or not? So now what I do is, this is OPQ, call this as some R. Now area of trapezium, OPQR. Area of trapezium OPQR. What is area of the trapezium? 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides into height. So what is the sum of the parallel sides? Tell me. This length is what? C by 4 or not? Y coordinate.
T plus T by 4.
Yes, C by 4 plus this height is equal to what?
T plus T by
T plus C by 4. This is sum of the parallel sides. T plus C by 4 into height is what? This distance. What is this distance? 2 units, because this origin, this x equal to 2 line. Therefore, this distance equal to what? 2 units. That's why into 2. So this is the trapezium area. So the trapezium area is in one. So what is the given? Right. Trapezium area is equals to. So what is the rectangle area? Tell me.
Twice of trapezium.
No. Rectangle area directly. 2 length, breadth 2, length is what? 4.
E.
Area of rectangle 8 or not? 4 2 times. So area of rectangle is 8. So now this is equal to. So this is equal to what now? Tell me. Area of trapezium will be what?
4.
4, because that is half. Therefore 4. Now this 2 to cancel. That is C. What is T here? Tell me.
X.
X is what? This one. This distance. 2 or not?
Sir, which one?
See this distance equal to 2 units. 2 units. Therefore, this x coordinate of Q will be 2 or not? Because your vertical line, this R coordinates are 2, 0. Therefore, this 2 is equal to T or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why you can consider, therefore, Q coordinates are 2, 2 plus C by 4. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now this 2. So T is equal to 2. Therefore, C by 4 plus 2 plus C by 4 is equal to 4. That implies 2C plus 2 is equals to 16. Therefore, C plus 1 is equals to 8. C is equal to what? 7. Okay. Therefore, required line is what? Question. What is the question? Find the equation of the straight line. Yes. So required line is 4y is equal to 4y is equal to x plus c. Therefore, 4y is equal to x plus what is c? 7. So this is the answer. C was our requirement. So we got c as 7. This is the line. Clear? This is about algebraic parametric form.